Imagine waking up every morning in a country where mountains touch the sky, fjords shine like mirrors, and life feels calm yet full of opportunities. Norway is not only famous for its breathtaking beauty, but also for being one of the safest, wealthiest, and most worker-friendly countries in the world. Now the big question is, how can you, as a foreign worker, actually move to Norway in 2025? What is the real process for getting a work visa, and how can you make sure your application is approved without struggle? Many people get confused by the requirements, the documents, and the new rules, but don't worry, in this video, I'm going to share the complete step-by-step guide for Norway Work Visa 2025, specially designed for foreign workers. Stay with me till the end, because I will not only explain the process in simple words, but also give you extra tips that can increase your chances of success. The first step is to know which type of work visa fits your situation. The most common one is the skilled worker visa, which is for people with higher education or professional training. If you are an engineer, a nurse, and its specialist, a construction worker, or someone with skills that Norway needs, this visa is made for you. There are also other options like the seasonal worker visa and the job seeker visa, but the skilled worker visa is the most popular for long-term stay. Before applying, you almost always need a job offer from a Norwegian employer. This means your focus should be on applying for jobs on official portals like nav.no, Fin, No, and other international platforms. Make sure your CV is updated, professional, and preferably written in English or Norwegian. Highlight your skills that are in demand in Norway. After receiving a job offer, your employer will give you an official contract. This document is very important because it must show your salary, job title, working hours, and conditions. Norway has minimum salary requirements for foreign workers, so check that your contract matches those standards. Next, you need to collect and prepare your documents. This usually includes a valid passport, your signed employment contract, educational degrees, and professional certificates, updated CV, passport size photos, and proof of financial stability. If required, remember, if your documents are in another language, get them officially translated into English or Norwegian. You now apply through the official website of the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration, UD. Here, you fill out the online form, upload your documents, and pay the application fee. After that, you will get an appointment for biometric submission at the nearest Norwegian embassy or visa center. Once everything is submitted, you have to wait for a decision. This can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months depending on the workload of immigration authorities. During this time, keep checking your email and the UD portal for updates. If your visa is approved, you will receive a residence permit card. This card is your legal proof to live and work in Norway. Usually the permittee is valid for 1 to 3 years depending on your job contract, and you can renew it later. Once approved, it's time to prepare for your relocation. Book your tickets, arrange initial accommodation, and plan your budget. Remember, Norway is an expensive country, so having savings for the first few months is essential until your salary starts coming in. When you arrive, you must register with the local police within 7 days. You also need to apply for a tax card, open a Norwegian bank account, and register with the health system. These steps are necessary to fully settle and start working. Learning basic Norwegian phrases, understanding workplace culture, and respecting local traditions will make your life much smoother. Norwegians appreciate workers who integrate well, and this can also open more job opportunities for you in the future. Always apply through official websites and avoid fake agents. Research the job market so you know which professions are in demand. If you don't have a job offer yet, consider applying for the Norway Job Seeker Visa, which allows you to live in Norway while searching for work. So the Norway Work Visa 2025 process includes choosing the right visa, getting a job offer, signing your contract, preparing documents, applying through UD, attending biometrics, waiting for approval, receiving your residence permit, moving to Norway, and finally adjusting to your new life. Norway values skilled foreign workers and offers them not only jobs, but a safe, secure and rewarding future if you follow these steps carefully. Your dream of working in Norway can become reality. Thank you for staying with me till the end. I hope this complete guide cleared all your doubts and gave you the confidence to start your journey. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe, like and share, because your support helps us bring more valuable information for you. In upcoming videos, we will talk about the Norway job seeker visa, new rules for 2025, and special tips to increase your chances of getting hired faster. So stay connected and see you in the next video.